Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses. Today I will tell you about Magic Edit. Magic Edit allow us to select a specific area of the image and use AI to change it. For example, you can add an object or replace, remove, or change the part of image without editing the entire photo. So firstly open Canva and click on three doors. Now click on Dream Lab. Now click on plus, upload, and now click on this. Now here I will write a prompt. Add a modern white coffee cup. Add the background. And a modern white coffee cup. Add background. Now click on enter. And just magic edit. This photo will be magically added. And the photo I have attached is from the previous lecture we have added. Okay. So you can see magic edit, magic coffee cup. This photo has been added magically without removing colors. Okay, you can see the colors we have used in the previous lecture is same like this, okay? Now you can choose the result, any of this, and select Open in Editor. Okay. Now, Magic Erase is our next topic, not this one. In next lecture, I will tell you about Magic Erase. Okay. So, I will select brush and remove. Magic Grab and Magic Erase are our upcoming lectures. So I will explain you detail there, okay? So our cup has completed. If we want to change anything more, we can by upload the image again and add the prompt, okay? So common mistake selecting an area is too large, use unclear prompt, adding too much objects, not checking the final result carefully, like we have checked the final result very carefully. Assignment. You have to take an image and write a prompt, add a modern laptop on the table. Prompt number 1. Prompt number 2, for decoration, again add the prompt. Add a small green plant in white pot. Then again, after inserting the image, again add the prompt. Replace the cup with modern glass. Choose the best result and create the Canva post and send on Instagram. Don't forget to earn your free Canva Master Certificate. Complete all 60 lectures and practice tasks. Like and comment on every video. Subscribe to see how I complete the practice task. Share your work on Instagram stories, post, and tag me ZHavibe so I can see and re-show your work. Complete the full course practice work to enable in the pre-certificate. Good job. Now you have learned about Magic Edit, Magically Edit. In next lecture, we are going to learn about Magic Erase and how to remove unwanted object from our image. Keep practicing, keep creating, and don't forget to follow and subscribe ZHavibe for more Canva designs and content. I will see you in next lecture. If you have any question, let me know in comment section. Allah Hafiz, happy designing.